This video will go over how to clean the fuel sediment cup on a sod cutter. With the engine off and cool, move the fuel shutoff valve lever to the left to shut off the fuel supply. Loosen and remove the sediment cup by rotating it counterclockwise. Place a container below as a small amount of fuel will drain from the fuel shutoff assembly. Remove the O-ring shown here. Wash the sediment cup in a non-flammable solvent and dry it thoroughly. Inspect the O-ring and replace it if there is any cracks or damage present. Install the cup and O-ring in reverse order of removal. Tighten the bowl with a wrench until you feel the gasket compress. Stop once it is snug. Over-tightening can deform the gasket, leading to a leak. When finished, move the fuel shutoff valve lever to the on position and check for leaks.